Today I will show you how to make this super cute papercraft. It's a fish, and you can use this fish in many different ways. You can use them as a bookmark in this simple way. You can put it inside of a book, or you can glue the fish on a stick, a wooden stick, and then you can use them as a party decor, or home decor, table decor, or also as a bookmarks made in this way. So let's get started and create our fish. You will need some scrap paper. It's the best way to upcycle your scrap paper. We will create in this way, in this case, the fish in pink, and then here we have the other scraps. You will need a circle punch and another little circle punch. I will put the link below of this video where you can buy this kind of circle punches, and then I will use as usual my favorite paper, the glitter silver paper. I took this little scrap. So we will need to punch 2 times because for the front and the back of our fish. We start to build and create the front of the fish using some pale pink. We will make another circle, and then for the face of the fish, we will put the fish here as a reference. We will do in this way. You can put your circle, paper circle, inside and then cut. Voila! This is your paper fish face. Okay, we will need to glue this to the body, and if you like to use this kind of glue, this is quite useful. It's a roller glue, and I will put also a link in the description of the video where you can buy that kind of glue. Okay, here the face. We're starting building the face. Then you will use a pen in black or the color you prefer, and then we will trace our eye, and then yeah, voila. And for the cheek we will use this one with a little scrap of white paper. Here our cheek. Then glue to your fish, and the face of the fish is ready. Okay, now we will make the fins, and then using a pair of scissors, this is my favorite pair of scissors, we will cut the pins for the size that you prefer. I will create the pins in this way. This one, and then we will make that one with the same process. If the pin is too big, you can resize. Voila. but I think it's not too big because this we will have to put this one on the back, and then these two. Okay, we will make two similar cut, a sort of cut in this way. Voila, for one. And then if you want, you can trace the same in this way, and then we will glue together your fins to your fish. Now we'll put this together in this way. Better to glue this kind of paper with vinyl glue. It's better, it's more reliable, this kind of glue. And then also we will do in this way. Okay, and then we can glue our fins as you prefer. The place is of your choice. Okay. Okay. This one. Okay. Or if you want a little more, I don't remember the word, sorry, more in this way. Okay. So nice, isn't it? Wow, I love so much this kind of fish. They are so nice. Okay, now we can glue the last one, and then we can finish our fish. Voila. Okay. And we can put some glue on the back of the fish with a toothpick. We can do in this way, and then glue your circle paper, and the back of your fish is ready. Voila. This is your fish. So nice, isn't it? Then we will use a pen in this way. We will trace and do some polka dots. Or if you prefer, you can make some lines, and your fish is ready. Voila. And if you want to add the bubbles, you will need, before you glue your back, you will need, sorry, some glue here. Okay, you will need to cut a piece of acetate made in this way, and then more. Okay, and then you will glue the acetate inside. Before gluing the back, you will put inside, and then with the circle punch we'll punch some circle in blue and add them to your acetate. This is the finished fish made in this way. or you can leave the fish without a bubble. It's up to you, as you prefer. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and I will put in the link in the description below the link for this kind of paper for the glue and for the punches. Thank you so much. Bye bye.